Let me show you how to check the motor in a Whirlpool made 29-inch electric or gas dryer. You will need to make a test cord like this one. Take a cord and crimp or solder two insulated alligator clips like this. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet and keep it disconnected. Set the timer on the dryer to any of the drying cycles. Get behind the dryer and remove the terminal block cover plate and the back panel. Connect one of the test cord alligator clips to the neutral terminal on the terminal block, like this. Make sure you have a good connection and that the alligator clip is not going to fall off. Find the blue wire on the thermal fuse that goes to the motor. And connect the other alligator clip to it. Make sure you have a good connection and that the alligator clip is not going to fall off. When you connect the test cord to the neutral terminal on the terminal block and the blue wire that goes to the motor on the thermal fuse, you will be sending electricity directly to the motor. If when you connect the test cord to the wall outlet, the motor hums and it won't start, disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet and check to see if anything is holding the motor from starting. If you don't find nothing holding the motor from starting, then the motor is bad and you need to replace it. If when you connect the test cord to the wall outlet, the motor starts running okay, let the motor run for at least an hour just to check and see if the motor overheats or not. Make sure that no kids or animals are next to the dryer when you let it run for an hour. This way we don't have no accidents, okay? Disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet for 5 seconds. If when you connect the test cord again, the motor runs, then the motor is okay. If when you connect the test cord again, the motor hums and it won't start, disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet. This is an indication that the motor is overheating and it will need to be replaced. If you like this video, you could subscribe to my channel to get notified every time I make a new one. Thank you for watching. See you later. This is Angel the Appliance Man.